Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to create a form in Monday.com for 2025. Monday.com is an awesome project management platform that lets you build custom forms to collect data seamlessly, whether you're tracking team tasks or gathering customer feedback. This feature is a game changer for boosting productivity, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. If you're new, sign up quickly, it's free for the basics. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and select the workspace or board where you want to add the form. This is where all your projects live, so choose wisely. Next, look for the Add Item button or navigate to the Automations and More section in the menu. Click on Forms to start building. Monday.com makes this intuitive. You'll see a template library with pre-designed options, or you can create one from scratch. Pick what suits your needs, like a simple contact form or something more detailed. Now, customize your form. Add fields by dragging and dropping elements like text boxes, drop-down menus, or date pickers. Don't forget to label them clearly for your users. You can also set up validation rules, like making certain fields required, to ensure you get accurate data every time. Once your form is shaped up, go to the settings to configure notifications. Link it to email alerts or integrations with tools like Google Sheets or Slack. This way, submissions land straight in your workflow. Finally, hit Publish and grab the shareable link or embed code to distribute it anywhere. And there you have it. You've just created a form in Monday.com that's ready to use in 2025. Remember, experimenting with forms can save you tons of time, so try tweaking them as you go. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.